Hi! In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. You need to begin by accessing your device's keyboard. Now, to start typing, select microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If it's not visible, select this gear instead. Now access voice typing section and click on gray switcher next to use voice typing in order to activate it. When you're done, go back. Now you can finally click on visible microphone. And if you never used it before, tap on while using the app in the pop-up. Then wait for a Speak Now command and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, tap on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!